Hello. All right, so people have been concerned about the Common Sense book sending massive amounts of emails and spamming your guys' folders and clogging up your email on a daily basis for these submissions. And the answer is, well, we can't make them submit directly to Canvas. It has to be through email unless you personally create a Canvas assignment for each of these Common Sense modules and some of the things we can't do in Canvas. So the easiest way to get them out of your mailbox and put them all in one place is to use the functionality in Outlook called Rules. Now, I have one of the messages here in my inbox, and I want to move it. I want to make sure that these messages always go to a specific place so that they're not in the middle of everything, and trying to find them becomes a huge hassle. So the first thing that you need to do is create a new folder. So add a folder to your left-hand side here that you want all of these messages to go, and that will put them all in one place so you can just easily go through and see who sent you what and when, and it will get them out of your regular inbox and stop clogging up your life. So what you do, create a folder. So I usually click right here on my name, because when I add a folder, if you click anywhere else, it will add a subfolder to something that's already there. So click just your name up here in the box, and it is to note that this is only instructions for how to work Outlook from your computer. So if you're trying to do this from your iPad, I'm not sure it will work the same way or at all. But you come up here to the Home tab, click on Folder, add a new folder, and I have already created one, but it looks like this. You have it, your name is highlighted. It will put the new folder in your list over here. Okay, and you can name it whatever you want. I called mine Common Sense Curriculum. Just to make it easy. Okay, and then you'd hit OK, and it should appear over here in the left-hand side. So I've got junk mail and all that stuff, but Common Sense Curriculum is among the list. All right, now to actually get all of these emails to go directly to that folder instead of spamming up your email, first thing you do is select one of those emails. So I've got one up here. It's from noreply@commonsensemedia.org, and those are from literally every time you'll get one from that address. So go up to the Home tab and click on Rules. Okay, and what this will do is you can create a rule that every time you get a message from this address, it will move it directly into that folder, so you can go check them later. So I'm going to create the rule, and I always just do from that email address, because that email address isn't going to send me anything other than what it is that I need to see from them. So a lesson from a kid. Now you could go even further with that and change it to every single lesson. Okay, so like the subject contains Unit 1, Lesson 5, or Unit 1, Lesson 2 in here. I don't get that specific because I'm not sure how that functionality will work if I want it, and I don't want that many folders. I just want one because I can easily go through and do it. But if that's something you want to do, you just make it specific to the unit, make a new folder for every unit, and you can have your kids send it in there, and that will be where the mail is. But I just have it there. You make the rule, so when you get an email from this subject or from this address with this subject, you want to move the item into this new folder, and you select the one that you created. So either Common Sense Curriculum or whatever folder you called it, you select that folder, and now every time, and hit OK. And now every time that message, or every time that email address sends you a message, it will go into that folder. And you just hit OK, and what you can do at that time is click that box to run the rule, and it will remove all of those messages from your mail and put them into that folder so you can look at them later. And any new message after that will then be added to this folder. So you see here, I've already run the rule. All of these messages were sent to me before I created it, and now they're all in this folder, and I can scroll through and not have to worry about hitting any of my old messages. All right, I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, just send me an email. It's right there at the top of the screen.